Hey biology, this is Ms. DeFreitas here. This is your homework for today. It's going to be on the Google Classroom here soon, but I am asking you to, I'm going to move my little picture here out of the way, asking you to have this done and do it on the slides themselves. So the way that you're going to have to do that is you're going to have to insert text boxes onto the slides. So notice this is worth 200 points. You're using chapter 8 in your textbook. I don't have a page number because guess what? I don't have any more textbook left in the classroom. So you'll have to just use your table of contents and go to chapter 8, which is the first chapter on cells, and use that to help you. And then if there's more information, all of that whole unit is on cells. So you might have to even go on chapter 9 or even chapter 10. So I'm going to scoot our view over here so you can see more of the screen here with your Google Slides. So you're going to click on your first Google slide, and in order to type on it, you have to insert a text box. So notice you're going to go up here to this T, you're going to put your text box in here, and you're just going to type whatever the answer is. So does a prokaryotic cell have a membrane? And the instructions just ask you to type yes or no, so you would just type yes. Prokaryotic cells do have a membrane. You would have to go look up the next one for eukaryotic cells. And do eukaryotic cells have a membrane? And you'll see that in your reading, but the answer is yes, it does. And that's how you insert your text box. You just go here and put the text box where you want it and fill in the table. Same thing right here. It says which organelles are found only in the plant cell and not animal cells. And so you would just do the same thing. You're going to insert a text box and type your answer right there. Okay, so I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to delete these because you guys will do that on your own. I don't want that on my original copy. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. All right, go into the next slide. This slide, you don't have to actually put in a text box. There's really no good spot for my face on here. Let's put it right there. And what I want you to do is insert a line. So here's your drawing tool. So what's the job of the cell membrane? A flexible membrane around eukaryotic cells. Sure. That will work. All right. And so you would just draw your line in there, and that's how you're going to complete this one. So we can do another one. So Golgi apparatus. Again, you just go here and put your line in wherever you think it goes. But I'm not going to give you that answer because you don't need all those extra answers. You can figure it out by reading it in your book. So this is our homework for the next 2 days. It's worth 200 points. And that's how you go through and insert the information in the Google Slides. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you guys in our online meeting. Bye.